Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can book flights on Google Flights. So, first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then after that, using the search bar at the top, just have to type out Google Flights. Okay, so just tap it right here, Google Flights, and then you'll be able to see this website right here. So you can actually type up right here the place that you're flying from, and then the place that you are flying to or your destination. But you can also choose this option. Okay, and then once you are done, you have this website right here. Okay, so at the top you have the travel, explore, flights, and then hotels and the vacation rentals. And then make sure as well that you have logged into your Google account. Okay, and then after that, right here for your you know, ticket type. So we have round trip, one way, and multi-city. So I'm just going to select the round trip. Okay, and then just have to select the number of passengers. So we have the adult, children, infants, and then infants on lap. Okay, so for the cabin type, we have economy, premium economy, and then business and the first class. Okay, so I'm just going to select economy for this one, and then here, so for example, we are flying from Davao, Philippines. So just simply tap on that one, and then the city or your destination. So I'm just going to select Manila, and then your departure date. Okay, so see for example, and right here you'd be able to see the different prices. Okay, so for example, this one from February 6, 11, and then we will be returning on February 20, and then tap on the done option. Okay, so once you are done putting here the details of the flight that you are looking for, tap on the search option. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the different results. So we have for best and for cheapest. So for best, okay, so here these flights are chosen to balance price and convenience, taking into account factors such as duration and number of stops to keep your journey smooth and affordable. And for the cheapest, this additional budget picks helps you save but may involve trade-offs such as flying back to a different airport in the same city you departed from, and then self-transferring luggage or booking via a third-party site. So if you are looking for a cheapest flight, then you just have to select this one. Okay, and then for the filters, so for example, okay, so any number of stops. So if you are looking for a flight that doesn't have any stops, so select the non-stop only. Okay, and then if you would like to specify your airlines, so we have here the different airlines. So we have AirAsia, Subco, Cebu Pacific, China Airlines, and more. And then for bags, so yeah, if you have a carry-on bag, so you can also add it right here on the filters. And for the price, so you can actually set the range here of the prices or the ticket available that you want to appear. And for the times, we have outbound and return. Okay, so we've choose any time. And for the emission, we have any emissions or less emission only. Okay, then for the connecting airports, so if you don't want any connecting airports or layover, so you can go here as well. And then for the duration, so let's just select any for this one. Okay, and then here under the cheapest category, we have here the different available flights. So we have here the few details. Okay, so this is the cheapest one. So when you tap on this arrow, you'd be able to see here the full details of this flight. So for example, we want to see the full details or the full information. Okay, so we have here the returning flights for this one. Okay, so for example, we are going to select this option. Okay, so after that, you have here now your selected flights from Davao, Philippines to Manila, and from Manila, Philippines to Davao, Philippines. Okay, so both of them are non-stop, So if you would like to track the prices as well for this one, so you can also toggle the switch on. So the purpose of the track prices, so you can monitor the lowest price for this itinerary and then receive price alerts and travel tips by email. Okay, so tap on that after that. And now for your booking options. So we have here the different booking options available. All right. So you just have to select your booking options. For example, we have Cebu Pacific. So tap on continue. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then you will be directed to Cebu Pacific website for this one. So what you are going to do here now is to simply input the details of the passenger. And of course, you have to log in. And if you don't have a Cebu Pacific account, you just have to sign up for one. Okay, so here are the available flight options. Okay, so for example, that one. Okay, so just select your flights. Okay, so we have here now the bundle. So we have Go Basic, Go Easy, and Go Flexi. So I'm just okay with fare only. Okay, and then tap on continue. So just wait for a couple of seconds after that. And then here you just have to provide the information of the traveler. Okay, and then of course you just have to proceed to the payment information, and then after that you just have to book your flight. So you'll proceed to the add-on section, the payment, and then the confirmation. So let us try to use another booking option. Okay, so let us look for AirAsia if AirAsia is available for this one. So AirAsia is not available for this booking. So yeah, let's just proceed with Agoda. So tap on your booking option. Okay, and then after that you will be redirected to the page. Now right here on the passenger details, you just have to input the passenger details. So here you just have to wait and be able to see here the total amount that you are going to pay. Okay, so we have here flight details. We have Davao City to Manila, Philippines, and then Manila, Philippines to Davao City. Okay, so when you want to, check your baggage allowance and policies as well, so tap on this one, and then you have here the details. You have the baggage allowance policies and the ticket policies. Okay, so our tickets cannot be canceled for any refund since we only chose the fare only. So, the perks of choosing the flexi ticket is that you can also cancel your tickets or your flight and you will receive a refund. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.